What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, I'm Tonitra and you are in my garden. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fill a raised bed on a dime. So yes, I am finally adding some more growing space to my small garden, and I am super excited because I'm going to be able to double my harvest. But first, we have to go and get all the things that we need from the hardware store to fill this raised bed. Let's do it. So it's the week of Memorial Day weekend, and they have this garden soil on sale 4 for $10. Go ahead and grab 4 of these. Okay, so I would normally use peat moss in this type of situation, but the raised bed soil is cheaper in this instance. It's $9.97. This product was $11.97. I usually use organics potting mix, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get the organics. I'm gonna get 2 of those, and I'm gonna get these 4. So we're also gonna need a bag of perlite. I'm gonna grab this bag, it's $6.97. So we made it to Lowe's and they have the black cow manure, so I'm gonna grab a bag of this. Okay, so we just got out of Lowe's and I calculated my total expense for all the products and it came out to $40.07. Now at Home Depot, the woman did give me the perlite for free because it wasn't ringing up right, so she was just like, it's free today, so that was my little blessing. But if you're trying to fill your raised bed, it is going to be under $50. So filling a raised bed under $50, I think that is doing it on a dime. I feel like that is a good price to fill a raised bed. So let's go home and fill. All right, so now that we've got everything that we need, all the materials that we need to put in this bed, go ahead and put something down first, like some sticks or some chopped up wood or even some grass clippings from your lawn, some dead leaves. Go ahead and layer that at the bottom. Here I have a bunch of cardboard boxes that I saved up, and I did go and grab some from my mom's house. She had a couple boxes that she said she didn't need. So that's what I put down. That's all I'm gonna put down. And then the rest is just gonna be the materials that we bought from the store. So we're gonna go ahead and layer in our products. This is called the lasagna method, but after I layer the products, I am going to mix them together. So yeah, let's go ahead and start layering things in. So first, I'm gonna put in a layer of this garden soil. We're gonna do 2 bags at the bottom. Okay, so now that I've got this layer down, I'm gonna add a layer of perlite, and this is just gonna help the soil to be less compact so that it can drain better, because I did use garden soil at the bottom of this, and that doesn't have anything that is well draining in it. So we're gonna put a layer of perlite. All right, so things are looking good, and that was the first basically layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this process one more time over, and then we're gonna add our next product on top. Let's do it. I am breaking a sweat out here. It is about noon, so I'm gonna have to start getting out here earlier. Okay, so we've got our black cow down and everything is looking beautiful. You can stop at this point. The soil would have enough nutrients to feed your plants. Some bagged soil has fertilizer already in it, so if you wanted to skip this process, you definitely could, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add a couple handfuls of fertilizer to the soil just to give my plants an extra boost, but it's totally optional. So this is just organic garden tone. That's what I'm going to be using. All right, so here's what the raised bed looks like. It is ready to be planted. I'm gonna plant this up in a few days. I'm gonna go ahead and water this in. Not too much, but just enough to moisten the soil. I don't have any mulch, and I don't know if I want to use mulch this year. I feel like I want to plant more heavily instead of using mulch, so I'm just going to hold off on the mulch. But if you did want to mulch, you would go ahead and you could either mulch, or you could wait, you could throw some compost on top, whatever you want to do. But this is just the basics of filling a raised bed on a dime for the cheapest cost, and your plants are going to do wonderfully. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope that this was super helpful and that you can get your raised bed filled on a dime. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.